subtly. Here's an inventive fusion recipe that marries the bold flavors of Italian cuisine with the delicate subtleties of Japanese cooking. Sushi risotto with tuna and pesto. Ingredients *. 1 cup arborio rice. 2 cups dashi broth, Japanese soup stock. Half a cup white wine. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 200 g fresh tuna, sushi grate, diced. A quarter cup fresh basil leaves. 1 garlic clove. 2 tablespoon pine nuts. 2 tablespoons Parmesan cheese, grated. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Nori, seaweed, sheets, cut into strips for garnish. Wasabi paste, for serving. Instructions * 1. Prepare the pesto * in a food processor. Blend basil leaves, garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil until smooth. Season with salt and pepper. Set aside. 2. Cook the risotto * in a large pan. Heat a splash of olive oil over medium heat. Add the arborio rice and toast for 2 minutes. Pour in the white wine and let it evaporate. 3. Add dashi broth * gradually add the dashi broth 1 ladle at a time, stirring constantly until the liquid is absorbed before adding more. Stir in the soy sauce. 4. Combine tuna and pesto * once the risotto is creamy and al dente, gently fold in the diced tuna and half of the pesto. Cook for an additional minute. 5. Serve * spoon the sushi risotto onto plates. Drizzle with the remaining pesto, garnish with nori strips, and serve with a small dollop of wasabi on the side. Enjoy this East meets West dish that's sure to delight fans of both Italian and Japanese cuisines.